Starting in June, 0x Billiards will be releasing exciting new instructional videos every month through Patreon. These videos will cover 8-ball and 9-ball strategy, pattern play, drills, and much more. We're going to go over every aspect of 8-ball from how to choose stripes or solids to how to choose patterns. We're going to have a series of videos on 8-ball drills that will really take your 8-ball game to that next level. We're also going to have videos on stroke drills along with ball pocketing drills. And we currently have a brand new ebook that you can download now which covers 36 of the most common shots that come up in 8-ball. In the coming days, we're going to be releasing new 14 days episodes, along with videos covering the break, jump shots, massé shots, and cool shots you may not have known existed. And every Thursday morning, we're going to have an 8-ball or 9-ball pattern puzzle. All of this for as little as $1 a month. And everyone who signs up now will not only receive the ball pocketing ebook for 8-ball players, but they'll also be able to view an excerpt from the latest 0x video, Diamond Systems for 8-ball and 9-ball players. This video covers 9 systems, including 2 from special guest Mike Massey. Due to the amount of time it takes putting together instructional videos, all money received from Patreon will go right back into video production, including bringing in help for logging video clips and helping with the editing. This will free me up to create great new videos every month. I'm really excited about this new venture, and I hope you'll join me as we explore this great game of pool together.